how to change email address on Doordash. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you change your email address in Doordash. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open any browser on your system. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to type for doordash.com, and after you search it, you'll be able to find or visit the official site of Doordash. So from here, at the top left corner, you'll have to just tap on the option 3 line. Okay, so now from here, you'll have to just tap on the option account. And from the account section, you can easily find the sections like email address. So from here, you can easily find your previous email on the email section, and from there, you'll have to just remove or delete the previous email address, and from there you'll have to just add a new one, and after you add it, you'll have to just tap on the option save just at the bottom right. So simply click on it. Alright, so after you click on that, you'll be able to verify with your two-step verification. So from here, you'll have to just verify with your verification code that you will receive on your phone number, and although you can also go to your email address. So for that, click on send to email option, and from there you can easily verify with your two-step verification or verification code on it, and after you verify it, you can easily change your email address in Doordash. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.